Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bertemu lagi dengan saya di sesi replay old game seri PlayStation 2 ya. Insya Allah kali ini saya akan melanjutkan game Xenosaga episode 3 yang tertinggal di part 2 ya. Oke, kita langsung saja. Kalau gamenya yang bagus, mainnya juga semangat nih.
All phases of the performance program are now over. Supervisors for each weapon are requested in the conference room.
Iter equip status.
All phases of the performance program are now over. Supervisors for each weapon are requested in the conference room.
Chief! Welcome back, Chief.
I'm glad everyone is looking well. Too bad about what happened down there.
Well, considering what she was fighting, I think she did a pretty good job.
Yes, you're right. By the way, could you stop calling me Chief? I don't work here anymore.
No matter where you go or what you become, you're still our dear Chief. Right, Chief Ridgely?
Huh? Oh,
Thanks, guys. Where's Cosmos?
She got beat up pretty badly, so...
Cosmos. You're still doing your best. But what am I doing? What would you think of me if you saw me now?
Chief.
Hmm?
I guess you're concerned about Cosmos.
Oh, it's not that. After seeing Cosmos and everyone, I just feel like you've all left me behind. That's all.
Chief.
I'm sorry. I think I'll be going.
Oi, bangun Cosmos.
Chief,
Hmm?
tomorrow, would you like to go out for a bite in the city? I found this great restaurant the other...
Sure. Sounds good.
Yeah, I figured you'd be busy. Maybe next time.
Udah pasrah dia. Belum apa-apa udah pasrah padahal.
I said sure.
What? Really?
Yeah. When would be a good time? I'm free all day.
Okay. Let's meet in the hotel lobby at 7 p.m. I'll come get you.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
Animasinya putar-putar gitu aja.
Thank you. See you then.
Good night.
Teranglah siapa yang gak suka
Excuse me.
cewek cakep, pinter,
Is this the Cosmos
cheap
maintenance room?
lagi.
It's smaller scale than I expected.
Sombong amat.
Special Advisor Roth Mantell? Why are you here?
Calm down, Tagashi. I apologize. What can we do for you?
Oh, that's quite all right. What he said isn't exactly wrong.
Excuse me?
I mean, I came here to finish off the losers. I need you to gather your things together at once. Wait a minute. What about Cosmos's repairs? There's no need. Cosmos will never awaken again.
What are you talking?
This will explain it.
Suka banget ada yang gini tuh kalau di film-film gitu. Soalnya nanti balasannya
What?
berlipat-lipat ganda.
Decision to dispose of Cosmos? What the hell is this?
It's exactly what it says. The
Kalau ada,
subcommittee voted
kalau
on
ada
it.
yang menyombongkan diri
There
tuh
is no need for us
enak
to work.
banget kalau
So we're
dia
pouring it
jatuhnya
all
nanti.
into tele-
Makin
I'm
tinggi
sorry,
dia
but I'm afraid she's going to
sombongnya,
be
makin
scrapped.
sakit dia jatuhnya.
I can't believe it.
All phases of the performance program are now open. Supervisors for each weapon are requested in the conference room.
Let's see, I suppose I'll return to the hotel for now. Okay, which way? I think I gotta go here. Maybe.
All phases of the performance program are now over. Supervisors for each weapon are requested in the conference room.
Ini suka banget nih sama warnanya juga nih. Nggak ada yang mengkilat-mengkilat tapi
All
bagus.
phases of the performance program are now over. Supervisors for each weapon are requested.
Kayaknya harus main lagi John of Ender. Save-nya nanti di kamar aja deh. Siapa tahu ada item baru. Ada yang baru berarti. No weapon. Keren outfitnya si Sion nih.
So, this is the footage from the T-weapon demonstration? You've got guts recording secret government information right out. I bet you could earn a pretty penny if you became a GNN reporter.
Stop joking and take a look at it. Do you think you can extract any data from this footage?
Not right away. I'll need some time.
Please try. This T-weapon and an unknown developer are the core of the government's project. I'm sure we can find all sorts of things once we start poking around.
So, you think Vector is involved in this as well? But they canceled Cosmos's development, right? Aren't they being a little roundabout?
True, but the way Telos looks, I can't believe Vector isn't involved. Something we know nothing about is happening quickly.
All right, leave it to us. Also, there was something interesting in the data from the other day.
Is it information about my father?
No, we haven't found that yet. But we did find a keyword. Canaan.
Canaan.
Kanan? You mean That Kanan?
No, not the Realian. We think it's the name of some program or system used for observation or investigation.
Kanan.
We don't have the details on its objective, but one thing. Vector has been using this Kanan for over 100...
Can you find out
Satu
some more
aja
about
nih,
it?
one tiny bit kekurangannya nih, satu aja nih.
We can.
Nggak
Little cost extra.
ada otomatisnya nih. Jadi harus tetap aja harus
What?
dipencet-pencet.
You're going to charge for it?
Harusnya bisa di otomatis jalan terus gitu. Teksnya nih. Biar nggak ganggu.
Nephilim, what is...
Trying to protect someone does not always lead to happiness.
Ya,
What?
Weber.
Grimoire only wanted to find me, but that made a great many people
Grimoire.
suffer. With him gone, the Gnosis phenomenon should have... Shion, the Gnosis, a certain being,
Ada nggak ya
Destroy the universe?
option buat
Who would do that?
otomatis nih?
a
Biar
sad
maju sendiri
individual
dialognya.
who can... He
Nggak usah
hopes for
klik-klik.
happiness of the one important to him. But that,
Atonement?
yes, for that person, he feels it is acceptable. Shion,
Suara saya nih kayak udah mau hilang aja.
The only one who can open Cosmos'
Wait. Nephilim. Cosmos' heart.
Cosmos' heart.
I knew I wouldn't be able to tell her.
I know.
The truth is too hard for she. If she let it pass without knowing, it would be...
Learning the truth doesn't always lead to happiness.
So true.
They might even be better off if they live without it.
No, the truth is the truth.
But sometimes, the truth seeks you out. I
Yes,
think the fact that Shion
that
is
is
here
so
is telling
true.
us that.
Even in IRL.
She must learn the truth.
Maybe so, but it's only a matter of...
What if that's in it?
Ah, males
Come
nih
on, maybe in it
klik-kliknya
for
ah.
a reason.
I don't... You're...
What I can do is limited. I still don't even... Why am I allowed to
chaos.
I want to believe in the That's why I'm with
Chaos nih Realian atau human biasa ya?
There's nothing suspicious in the data concerning this.
Ini
I checked
asli
Vector
nih.
as well to be sure.
Full
There was
cerita
no
aja nih,
information
film
at
aja
all.
terus-terusan.
I'm sure Dimitri's done that as well.
Battle-nya
But
sedikit
why is he
banget.
placed?
Perhaps that's just how attractive the T-Web. It's also possible he wanted to eliminate Vector's influence.
Yes, but I bet there's more to it than...
I also have information regarding the Elsa. In order to break through that hypersphere, we will need output on the level of the phase transfer cannon equipped on Omega.
That's not going to happen. We can't use it considering how unstable its systems are. And besides, Dimitri would never authorize it.
Then breaking through that hypersphere is impossible with current Federation technology.
You mean we'll have to give up on rescuing the Elsa?
No, I just said it can't be done with Federation technology. According to my database, there is another weapon.
Another weapon?
Cosmos' tertiary weapons system. She is capable of the same output as an ES, so she may be able to break through.
Cosmos is already slated for disposal, so it's just as unlikely as your first suggestion. Is your situational analysis capability... How are we supposed to equip her with her... and send her to that region of space?
With all due respect, you are the one who was unable to analyze the situation, Doctor. That freighter infiltrated the region of space under Marshall. Officially, it doesn't even... If you want to rescue something that doesn't exist, you'll have to take a certain amount of risk.
You mean...
Yes, Cosmos has already been thrown out. That doesn't mean...
You certainly don't think small.
I was designed specifically for such...
What did you say?
I said to abandon it. Did you not hear my words?
Pardon my words, but Omega was originally ours. How can we abandon it? Your Eminence, please order its
There is no need.
Then please, tell me. I did not understand our retreat at Rennes-le-Château. And now this. Please, tell me your thoughts.
Omega has returned to its rightful master, and I have already taken measures to deal with the Zohar problem. There is no need for you
Udahlah
to
skip
interject.
yang cerita-cerita penjahat nih. Males banget dengernya juga. Ini juga lah skip.
How am I supposed to explain this to the... There's no way I can tell her that Cosmos...
It's dangerous to get lost in thought while walking.
What? Oh!
Could I speak to you for a moment, Chief Rich?
Sure. What is it?
Please steal Cosmos and take her to Sion.
I want you to get in touch with Xion soon. Do you know her personal contact?
Sure, that's no problem, but...
They've decided to dispose of Cosmos, correct? I need to speak to her about that. I'd like you to come along as well, of course.
Oh, that's right. Of course you'd know about that. Actually, I was just trying to figure out how I'm gonna tell her about Cosmos.
Relax. I won't let them dispose of Cosmos. That's what...
Huh?
Hah? Polos amat.
I watched that footage. It's certainly astonishing.
So, did you find out anything?
We did some research on Telos, but we found no relevant information in any database. Everything from its official project proposal to the budget is a complete blank.
What about his supporters? Did he erase everything about him in order to preserve secrecy?
No, no records ever existed in the first place.
How is that possible? It's being used by the military.
Beats me, but that's the truth. But you know, if
Terang
he's
aja
on
orang
the
dikirim
surface,
dari
he's
penjahat.
probably dirty as... Hey, is it possible to transfer Cosmos directly through the UMN?
No. All advanced AI devices, including Cosmos, need a UMN tube for transport. Basically, they have to go through the hyperspace or it will damage their functions. In other words, some sort of ship is necessary when moving one. Why do you ask?
Well, about a week ago, a Dominic transport ship affiliated with the Hyams Company docked at 5th Jerusalem's 47th port. When I checked its cargo records, I found something interesting. At the time of docking, the port's mass detectors recorded a total mass of 3,007, but at the time it left port, it was 3,750.79 tons.
Huh.
The Dominic has a
Is
regular
that so?
crew of 3. This weight difference wasn't caused by people. In other words, these records show that something must have been taken off the ship. Normally, any cargo unloaded into the container terminal, even if it's a government secret, has some sort of record registered. But this time...
There was no record.
Right. What's the mass of the bare minimum equipment required to maintain Cosmos?
It depends on the type of frame she's using, but probably around 200 kilograms.
That may be the missing piece, assuming it wasn't constructed on 5th Jerusalem.
Then Ormus is involved in Telos' development? But why would they do that?
Who knows? But it's disturbingly up. They may be deliberately drawing attention to it to cover up...
What's up? Hey, you guys already started. You could have invited me, you know.
You haven't missed a thing. By the way, have you already taken care of what I asked for?
You betcha.
You
Xion,
betcha.
we've pretty much finished researching your father. There are some things in life one is better off not knowing. Do you still want to know?
Yes, I have to know the truth.
This record is in regards to the UTIC organization 15 years ago.
The Federal Advanced Technology Special Inspection Bureau. That's the name of the government office that was observing UTIC.
Yes. And the person who was appointed to Milsha as a Federation government...
I was right, wasn't I?
Yes. It's just like you said.
Dad was the UTIC organization. He must have had some kind of contact with...
Xion.
But that doesn't mean he conspired with Professor Mizrahi and summoned the Gnosis. This sort of thing happens all the time. An incompetent government bureaucrat fails to stop a crisis and it turns into a catastrophe.
What?
What kind of example is that?
It's okay, don't worry about it.
Polos banget Piyuki.
Even if he was just an incompetent bureaucrat like you said, he's still guilty of standing by and letting something like that happen. I finally know why Jin doesn't like the idea of me getting involved as well. I feel better now that I don't have to wonder anymore.
Shion.
That's right. I suspected it all along. That's why I...
Alan nih.
Oh, it's from Alan.
Alan.
I'll take it over here.
Shion.
Shion. Hello. Huh?
Kayaknya ini ya terkait sama si Cosmos.
Chief,
Si
what's
aneh.
wrong? Shion. Chief? Are you all right, Chief? You scared me. You collapsed right as...
You came to check on me?
Well, I was the closest.
Ya ini malasnya nih klik-kliknya ini.
I see.
Of course, even if we were a million light years apart.
Coba ada pilihan otomatis
Want
auto
something to drink?
text gitu.
I had an MC here a few minutes
Kalau
ago.
yang
He said it was
game-game
probably
modern
over.
sih udah
Have you been
banyak
pushing yourself lately?
pada pakai. Ini belum ada nih.
Wait, you need to stay in bed.
I'm fine now. A lot happened today, I'm sure that...
Chief, I have a
From Yuli?
Yes, she says she wants to talk to you, so but if you're not feeling well,
Durandal.
I'll ask her to postpone it.
You worry too much. Oh, but tomorrow we were...
Ah, it's okay. Talking with member Mizrahi is much more important. Don't worry about canceling our plan. We don't have time to be going out to eat dinner.
Alan, let's go out for a bit.
What? Sure, if you like, that's fine with me.
How good is Sion? Okay, it's time. It's time to set. Tapi katanya besok nih ya ketemuannya. Ini kan masih malam tuh kelihatannya. Kemana dulu dong? Oh iya ya bener.
It feels good out here. I love the night air.
Dinner mendadak
This area
nih.
is under invite.
I'm sorry about our dinner plans. I didn't mean to substitute it like this.
Please don't worry about it. Anyway, this kind of atmosphere.
Atmosphere?
Oh, nothing. Just
Terbawa suasana nih ya.
Oh.
Iyalah orang Sionnya cakep gitu, cute.
It's alright.
Baik lagi.
We almost wasted a magnificent dinner.
Magnificent? It's just
Come
Pastinya
on, a
pakai
single thought can
baper
change
dia.
the- Even fast food can be... Oh.
Huh?
I just had deja vu. Kevin used to like eating outside too.
Did you eat together with
Orang bilang jangan baper, jangan baper. Ya gimana orang ngomong sama manusia pasti kena perasaan lah. Bawa perasaan. Kalau gue gak mau baper, ngomong sama robot atau sama batu sekalian.
How long do you intend to hide there?
Siapa lagi nih? Yang press itu
ya?
ya?
I shouldn't be surprised I can't sneak up on you.
Jurnalis.
I'll cut to the chase. Who are you?
I believe I gave you my personal data some time ago.
I'm not interested in that painted-over information. I want to know what you were originally made.
What are you talking about?
Oh, are you going to pretend? Program Canaan, a surveillance program listed in the records of top-secret vector data. It's programmed into your mind.
Program Canaan? You're bluffing. That keyword doesn't exist in my database.
Are you going to play dumb? What is it you're trying to hide so badly?
Wait. Hold on. I really don't know. There really is a program with that name?
So, they kept its functionality secret even from yourself. All right, I'll believe you.
What's this?
It's partial data on Program Canaan. If you want to confirm its validity, you'll have to do it yourself. Oh, and one warning. Even if you weren't aware of the program's existence, it still affects your behavior. If you interfere with us, even if it isn't by your own will, we won't hesitate to eliminate. Keep that in mind.
Ini dikasih mainnya cuman untuk jalan-jalan aja. Selebihnya suruh lihat, suruh dengar ceritanya. Terlalu heavy di story. Head to the Durandal dock at the Federation Orbital Spaceport. Lupa sebelah mana ya? Oh, di sini. Ini mah elevator ke itu, orbital elevator. Mungkin di sini ya. Nggak bisa di skip lama, udah gitu elevatornya liftnya dari bawah bumi sampai ke luar angkasa lagi, butuh berapa jam tuh. Durandal, mana Durandalnya ya, yang merah tuh. Gue cari Durandal. Mana Durandal? Si Yulinya mana ya? Apa di sini? Yuli Misrahi. Kayaknya ini mau konspirasi kosmos nih.
Shion, you're looking well. Looks like you're all doing good too.
Shion.
Jin? That's right, I completely forgot you were with them.
Is that any way to greet the brother you haven't seen in a while? Everyone else is already here. You know, you really should be a little more punctual.
Yes, everyone's here.
You haven't changed a bit, Shion. Yuli and the others are waiting. This way!
Shion, have you heard about Cosmos?
Cosmos? No. What's going on?
Committee member Mizrahi. I'll tell her. Chief, they've decided to scrap Cosmos.
Scrap? You can't be serious.
I'm afraid it's true. They made the decision yesterday.
Cosmos.
I understand how you feel, but there's no time to get depressed. I want you to listen carefully to what I'm about to say, and then make a decision. First, take a look at this.
Ini tipe-tipe orang-orang yang sedang bikin plot jahat nih. Aduh.
What is it? It's a hypersphere that appeared during a battle with Ormus. He also was swallowed by it.
Right, and now this hypersphere is beginning to shrink. It'll likely continue to shrink to Planck scale size, and then disappear from this dimension.
What will happen to the Elsa?
At this rate, it will be taken into phase space along with the hypersphere. If that happens, it'll be impossible for us to rescue them. If we don't break through this hypersphere, we can't rescue the Elsa.
But weapons on the Durandal or ESs don't even make a dent.
The surface of that hypersphere is connected.
Siapa aja
to
ya
outer
yang ada di
space.
Elsa tuh, kalau nggak salah tuh nggak ada yang penting. Paling Kapten Elsa, si Tony, sama engineer-nya. Nggak ada teman-teman Shion. Ada di sini semua.
And reverse the space.
You've got to be kidding me! How the hell can we do that?
Oh, Cosmos! Cosmos' phase transfer unit!
Exactly. Cosmos' tertiary weapon system may be able to break through that hypersphere.
But Cosmos has been slated for scrap. How? Besides, there's no way we'll get permission to use the tertiary weapons system.
Yes, that's why I've gathered you all here. Cosmos is currently awaiting disposal inside the Zohar Project facility.
You're planning to steal Cosmos?
There's no other way to rescue. I'll guide you during the infiltration, but it'll still be dangerous.
Aduh, itu Shion celananya nggak pakai resleting tuh, mau buka.
It'll be up to you to decide.
Tapi cakepnya itu loh, aduh mantap.
All right, I'll do it. I can't just abandon the Elsa's or Cosmos.
Shion.
Yeah, I guess if we do him a...
Then it's settled. We don't know how long the hyperspheres we move tonight.
Okay, just do it.
Chief, are you all right?
Yes, I'm...
Shion?
Chief!
Shion!
Jin.
You look tired. I'll take over now.
No, I'm fine. I'm more interested in hearing the results of her examination.
Even the medical staff here doesn't know what caused her collapse. They say it's probably exhaustion or something.
What
She
exhaustion?
collapsed once at the hotel, too.
I see. How are you feeling?
I'm sorry for worrying you.
Are you still working with Skian?
Oh, you're new.
Alan said you've been busy. Ever since you were little, you'd rush forward without stopping once you've set your mind, and never heeded my...
You're quite correct.
Well, it's all right, as long as you're healthy.
Herbal. You could have just handed it to me, you know.
Begitulah kakak ke adik ya. Kalau ngomong khawatir, canggung, malu-malu.
Yes, I just knew.
I envy you. I think anyone would. You've been true to your beliefs after you resigned from Vector.
I don't know. I mean...
And here I am, still doing the same thing, not asking or thinking whether what I am doing is right.
Are you regretting your participation in the...
Maybe. It's a weapon with absolute power, and yet I'm participating in its development, so I can prove to clear the shame from the name.
Do you think Cosmos' very existence is dangerous too?
Shion, Cosmos isn't a weapon. It's probably strange for a scientist to say this, but I have a feeling that Cosmos possesses something very important.
Something important?
Unlike the human-based Realians, Cosmos is composed entirely of machines. How much real difference do you think there is between the bundles of protein that make us and the machines that compose her? We're both a wave that make up this universe. The only difference is the number of ripples. I think if we have hearts and
terlalu
minds,
overthinking
then it's
nih
evident that she
si
would have
Yuli
as
nih.
well.
Do you think Cosmos...
Isn't that what you wish?
Maybe, but maybe not.
I don't know what your thoughts and intentions were, but no matter what happens, I want you to believe in Cosmos. And more than anything else, that's your duty as...
Yuli.
Is that so?
Did Yuli head back to the facility?
Yes. She said she's going to get things ready for our...
Okay, there's not much time.
Okay, here we go.
Let's meet in the lobby of Shion's hotel. We won't look suspicious meeting in...
Is that okay with you, Shion?
Sure, that's fine.
Okay, let's get moving!
We're going to be heading into the consolidated advanced technology testing ground again. I better check our equipment before we head there. Okay. You sure have to. You sure to. Balik ke hotel dulu. Option. Nggak ada pilihan otomatis teks. Coba di off ya. Coba nggak ada subtitle, pengaruh nggak ke teks itunya. Cek equipment dulu katanya tadi. Gak ada buat situ. Ini kok cuman satu ya? Belum ada yang lain rupanya. Kirain udah ada yang lain. It's not that I don't trust Miyuki, but you know what that place is like. It'll give us an advantage in battles. In battle, in case we still line up having to fight. Waduh, kok crash? Nyangkut dia. To way to learn skill, automatically learn when leveling up. Nah gini, kayak gini kan enak nih dijelasin. Yang dua tuh benar-benar game Xenosaga Saga series paling jelek. Episode 2 tuh maksud saya tuh. Kayak gini kan enak dijelasin dulu. Nggak kayak kemarin main episode 2 acak-acakan mainnya. Four skills are in a group. Higher skills in the same line can be learned once all four skills in the current group are learned. Okay. Style A2, style B2 in the first branch. The skill that can be learned in style A are different from style B. The capability will change depending on style. Okay. Oh ini ya pencabangannya. Quick. Recover small amount back damage. Ini penting nih. Coba ini increase speed of all allies. SP nya. Nah yang kayak gini-gini jangan di-cheat kayak yang episode 2 kemarin ya. Soalnya nih bisa jadi overpower. Cukuplah skill lain dia. Well, that's about it. I've got an idea. I'll give you my skill points, so go ahead and try them out. It's almost time, isn't it? We are going to infiltrate the cat testing ground. Ntar dulu dapat skill dari dia. Firebolt, Beambolt. Ini deh. Skill lain tuh kok nggak ada ya di sini. Kayaknya memanggilnya harus di gamenya ya. Ini langsung keluar ya, nggak ke save dulu, langsung ke cat testing ground. Oke lah, nggak apa-apa, kita save dulu di luar aja. Enak banget nih game apa yang ketiga nih, rapih terus jelas. Ini petunjuk-petunjuknya juga. Oke, kita lanjut ya. Ini sebenarnya saat recording videonya nih mic-nya sebenarnya bermasalah nih. Jadi videonya ke record tapi mic-nya nggak masuk gitu ya. Jadi tadi tuh setelah update Windows 11 nya tuh restart, kemudian nggak kecek dulu gitu, ternyata micnya nggak jalan, rupanya ada settingan yang berubah gitu. Ini saya pas edit videonya malah nggak ada suaranya. Ujung-ujungnya nih suaranya saya tambahkan saat edit ya. Jadi mohon maaf apabila kurang nyambung ya untuk komentarnya. Baik, kita lihat aja ke gamenya ya. Saya akan kurangi komentarnya, kecuali ada yang perlu dijelaskan nanti saya akan coba jelaskan ya. Mudah-mudahan masih ingat. Oh iya nih, sebentar lagi saya akan apa ya, mengganti percepatan di PCSX 2 nya. Jadi butuh speed untuk saat-saat yang nggak penting gitu ya, seperti saat naik elevator atau saat naik kendaraan gitu kan, nggak penting gitu, jadi bisa dipercepat. Untuk itu saya akan robah setting percepatannya menjadi lebih cepat lagi. Ini kan yang sebelumnya, yang setelah saya pakai itu percepatannya 200% lah, 2 kali lipat. Jadi kalau misalkan FPS 30 jadi 60 gitu. Nanti akan saya coba ke percepatan yang lebih cepat lagi gitu. Nah kayak gini barusan ya, saat naik elevator gitu, itu kan event-event yang gak penting gitu, jadi bisa kita percepat. Save dulu baru kita ubah settingannya ya. Ini saya lupa juga ngapain keliling-keliling ya. Ini saat saya edit nih udah lumayan lama nih, jadi agak lupa apa yang saya lakukan. Kalau nggak salah nih menunggu malam ya. Jadi saat kita akan menyelamatkan Cosmos nih, nunggu kumpul di malam hari gitu. Jadi keliling-keliling gimana caranya agar malam. Nah ini akan diubah setting percepatannya ya, fast forwardnya. Bisa pakai properti di gamenya atau memakai settingan global. Bagusnya sih global. Nah ini seperti ini. Dan memang sebenarnya nggak perlu keluar game juga sih sebenarnya. Ini settingannya bisa diganti di saat game main juga, bisa di emulation. Nah ini saya setting ke 500 dulu. Nanti mungkin kalau nggak salah tuh kedepannya di setting ke berapa ya, ke 300 gitu kalau nggak salah. Soalnya kemampuan komputer saya juga terbatas gitu. Meskipun dinaikin ke 5 kali atau 500%, tetap aja frame rate-nya terbatas di 100 ya, atau lebih dekat ke 3 kali percepatan, atau sama dengan 3 kali 30 fps, jadi sekitar 90. Tapi nantinya settingnya akan dirubah nanti ya. Nah, ini kan ceritanya nunggu malam dulu buat menjalankan misinya. Tapi udah langsung ya. Di skip jadi malam melalui event saat talking ke Alan.
Listen, we're going up against it. They'll attack intruders without stopping to ask questions.
You're the one we're most worried about.
Hey! I know that facility better
Kalau
than anyone else
gameplaynya
here.
bagus tuh, nonton cutscene-nya juga nggak begitu boring ya. Soalnya jadi semangat gitu nungguin gameplaynya yang bagus gitu.
Sorry to interrupt your tender
Beda
moment,
dengan saat
but we
kemarin
don't
tuh
have much
saat
time.
main di 2 gitu.
Let's get going.
Aduh, malesnya bukan main. Apa dengerin cutscene atau lihat cutscene-nya tuh. Soalnya gameplaynya benar-benar menyedihkan. Kok kayak half cook gitu. Setengah mateng udah dijadiin, udah dijual.
Over here. Come on, hurry.
Makanan mungkinnya sebagian ada yang suka setengah mateng. Tapi kalau game half cook kayak gitu, aduh,
Tweak the security so you've got a
jelek
free pass
kali ya.
I hope you didn't make any mistakes this time.
Oh, come on. You can trust me. You're the one who told me not to do anything dangerous and then asked me to help you.
There wasn't anyone else I could ask.
What about Doctus? You could have asked Gientia.
They're busy with something else. Besides, this is our own problem. I can't ask them to help with this.
Aha! I knew it. You're only using me because... Hey, stop laughing!
So, how do we get in?
The main gate is sealed, isn't it?
Don't worry, we can get in by using the monocarrier below. We'll also use the transport. As for the route, first we'll head from deck number... Past that is a transporter on... That'll take us to the research wing where...
Right. Just leave the rest to me. I've got... And I'll even help find...
Your job is to make sure we don't get caught. Please don't screw this up, Miyuki.
Hey, I said stop laughing.
Nah, di sini saya akan coba ganti lagi settingnya ke 300% ya, atau 3 kali 30 fps, jadinya 90 maksnya ya. Soalnya ya percuma kayak tadi ya, seperti bisa dilihat kemampuan komputer saya nih cuman sampai maksimal tuh 100, sekitar 100 fps ya. Jadi ya mending di cut aja sampai 90 fps ininya, percepatannya sampai 300 kali gitu. Ini kalau ada save kayak gini tuh mikirnya tuh tadi tuh kayak mau ketemu bos gitu, tapi ya kita lihat aja lah, nggak usah pakai petunjuk ya. Biar kejutan lah. Kalau saya sih udah tahu, tadi kan udah dimainin duluan. Baik, kita skip komentarnya aja sampai akhir ya. Kalau nggak salah nggak ada hal-hal penting lainnya kecuali bertempur dengan soldier ini yang jaga-jaga nih.
just a scratch.
If you have seen the pilot of Omega Res Novae, please contact security immediately. If you have seen the pilot of Omega Res Novae, please contact security immediately. If you have seen the pilot of Omega Res Novae, please contact security immediately. If you have seen the pilot of Omega Res Novae, please contact security immediately. If you have seen the pilot of Omega Res Novae, please contact security immediately.
Here we go! Come on!
It's just a scratch.
contact security immediately.
You better run! Go back to your own world! Okay, good job!
If you have seen the pilot of Omega Res Novae, please contact security immediately. If you have seen the pilot of Omega Res Novae, please contact security immediately.
I'll handle this. It's just a stretch.
If you have seen the pilot of Omega Res Novae, please contact security immediately. If you have seen the pilot of Omega Res Novae, please contact security immediately. If you have seen the pilot of Omega Res Novae, please contact security immediately. If you have seen the pilot of Omega Res Novae, please contact security.
Here I am.
I don't miss! Try again in 10 years! You better run! Come on!
It's just a scrap.
If you have seen the pilot of Omega Res Novae, please contact security immediately.
Baik, sepertinya kita telah sampai di penghujung sesi part 3 ya. Karena ini udah ada save, jadi kita akan cut dulu part 3-nya sampai di sini dulu. Insya Allah nanti kalau ada kesempatan saya akan lanjut ke part berikutnya ya, yaitu part 4 ya. Baik, terima kasih sudah menonton. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Please contact security